Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX. Why build on SHX? It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar, guys. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let's see what's happening with SHX in real time. Let's see the official X handle and what the community are saying. So let's begin with the official X handle of Stronghold. So guys, this is a pinned post. For those of you that do not know, guys, there was a governance vote going on. So look at this. We've officially closed the 2024 SHX Q3 governance vote. Huge thanks to everyone who participated and helped shape the future of your token. Results will be coming very soon. Stay tuned. So the Stronghold is thanking the Stronghold community for the voting, and the voting period has now officially ended. So what was this vote all about? Look at this. The vote was about which Stronghold Net APIs should be prioritized for the Open Access Developer Console. Number one, distributed ledger to US bank stablecoin payment APIs. Number two, distributed ledger to US bank USD settled SHX payment APIs. Number three, US bank to distributed ledger SHX settled USD payment APIs. Let's see what the community were saying. I'm not seeing where the actual vote is. It still says capturing snapshot. How to vote with Lobster Wallet? I will vote for 2. Let's lead SHX to mass adoption. Okay, let's vote, folks. Let's contribute. Okay, so he said vote for 2. He means the distributed ledger to US Bank USD settled to SHX payment APIs. Anyways, guys, now let's see what the community is saying about SHX, guys. This is Chart Nerd. He talks about technical analysis of SHX. Now look at this. Image 1 from a previous SHX upload I released on YouTube in July. Image 2, fast forward to now, SHX is up 44% from my call at 0.0032. So good going, Chart Nerd. If you manage to basically shout out this move, technical analysis is really good for entry and exits, guys. So cool. Update pending as we speak. The future of DeFi is on Stellar. SHX equals DeFi. Good morning, chart nerds. I'm back on the ball this morning, so be ready for another release in the coming hours. Cool. SHX wants to break out and run. Look at this, guys. Okay. Oh, Red Pill Pro. My pragmatic targets for SHX and VELO are SHX equals 10 cents to 20 cents, VELO equals 25 cents to 50 cents. Pragmatic equals likely first sell zones, by the way. Guys, there was a really good post that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me look at that. Yeah, I think it was from Dave over here. Let me open his account. Let me find it for you guys. A really interesting post, guys. Okay. Yeah, I think just a moment. I think I had bookmarked it. Let me show you. Yeah, this was it. So guys, There was a post over here that a video of SHX that calling developers get paid to build on the SHX ecosystem development program. Stronghold has established the ecosystem development program, by the way. So the Dave has given this post calling all developers ready to get paid to build on the cutting-edge SHX ecosystem. Whether you're passionate about blockchain, DeFi, or revolutionizing fintech, SHX is your platform to bring innovative ideas to life. The SHX ecosystem is packed with opportunities to leverage blockchain technology and create real-world applications that make an impact, and guess what? You get to earn while doing it. So why build on SHX? Work with one of the most innovative blockchain ecosystems, contribute to a decent, let me like it as well, he calls for a like, contribute to a decentralized financial future, get rewarded for your development skills, be a part of a fast growing and supportive community of builders. So guys, first and foremost, if anyone wants to basically build on Stellar, they are contributing to a decentralized financial future. They are getting rewarded for the development skills, obviously, and obviously becoming a part of a fast growing and supportive community of builders. Whether you're building a decentralized app, improving security, or exploring new blockchain applications, SHX offers a dynamic environment for developers to push the boundaries of technology. Are you up for the challenge? Together, we'll build a more secure, inclusive, and advanced financial world. Let's innovate, collaborate, and earn with SHX. By the way, guys, there is an SHX newsletter as well. There is a new newsletter of SHX. So, yeah, where is it? Yeah, let me share with you guys. For those of you that want to basically learn about SHX a bit more, I do not know why that did not open, but guys, Stronghold has shared it September 17, 2024. Want to know the hidden link between the fair shake PAC and Stronghold's future? Don't miss out. Subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates. So for those of you who are interested in SHX, you guys should check the newsletter as well. Look at this. You should subscribe to Stronghold's newsletter to stay updated on exclusive SHX rewards, new development projects, partnerships, and all the updates of the Stronghold's ecosystem. If you're serious about crypto and DeFi, it is a must. So you guys can subscribe or check it out. I surely will for future content as well. I'm going to be checking it out. I haven't seen it yet. SHX is trending. Any good post? Any new post over here? Okay, Crypto Banker was chilling earlier with an old friend talking about VELO SHXB. I thought this socks was OKX, but I think it's something else entirely. Okay. SHX printed a new weekly close, MACD looking to flip soon. Hope to see a break of resistance and a flip in trend. Miles, this is March 27th, a bit old. SHX, super undervalued. They built a business before creating a token, unlike many other coins. So basically, guys, a lot of coins or tokens, they build a token and then they try to create that business. That token basically hypes and goes to certain heights and that then falls. Basically, SHX is trying to build a business, and then they've created a token, and then they plan to utilize that token, guys. So what do you guys think about Stronghold SHX, guys? I would really like your opinions. Do it in the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And guys, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. Do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.